Also, should I be like, y'all want anything from the gas station? And he just says to the 12 people watching my TikToks.
To the 12 people watching my TikToks, pauses, and then goes, y'all want anything from the gas station?
Okay, yeah.
Let me listen to one. To the 12 people always liking my post.
Okay.
Y'all want anything from the gas station?
Okay, ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
12 people always like my posts. Y'all want anything from the gas station?
1, 2, 3.
People always liking my
You're behind. You have to say it right away.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
To 12 people always liking my posts.
Wait a minute.
I didn't even say pose. Yeah, I think it's boring, but then pause when he pauses and then go. You know what I mean?
1, 2, 3.
To the 12 people always liking my posts. Y'all want anything from the gas station?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
And nominated not only for Worst Picture, but also for Worst Actress, is All About Steve.
Can we do it one more time? So then I'll feel like super. Okay.
I like how my camera's like laying eggs.
What did he say?
Can you put flash on? Okay, go like this.
Maybe put your hand in your forehead. It's like kind of like country vibe. I don't know.
Got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached.
What?
1, 2, 3.
To the 12 people always liking my posts. Y'all want anything from the gas station?
We got a winner.
Are you trying to imitate the man?
Yo, I love it.
I said, we got a winner.
Dude, this is so good. Amazing.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kim. Okay,
That's
that's
really
what
good.
we're gonna post. I just gotta save.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
To the 12 people always liking my post. Y'all want anything from the gas station?